So I have some very important data about Dogecoin and the overall crypto market, and it appears that 2022 has a lot to offer to them. But before we move forward, I'd like to remind you that we're giving away $100 to a random subscriber at the end of this month. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comments section below. Good luck! So now, if we talk about the top crypto winners of 2021, we are seeing that despite its recent dip, Dogecoin is still one of the top biggest movers in 2021. And you know Dogecoin had an all-time high of around about 73 cents back in May, and it was up like 1,100% at that time. And in terms of Bitcoin, we are seeing that Dogecoin has gained 2,100% on the year from 168 satoshis to about 3,700 sats in mid-December. And another proof of Dogecoin's success in 2021 is that it managed to surge big time throughout this year. So as you can see the prices of cryptos last Christmas, Doge was somewhere around 0.004 at that time. And as of this Christmas, it has been trading around 18 cents, which is a significant leg up despite its recent losses. So the point is that Dogecoin has remained one of the top performers in 2021. And I believe that as we are entering 2022, Dogecoin is going to keep its top spot because it is still in the top spot and it's not like it just went up there like a skyrocket and fizzled out of the top 20. And as you can see, it is still up there, so the future outlook for Doge is still bullish. And talking about the future outlook of Dogecoin, it is highly likely that Dogecoin can perform bullishly in 2022. This is because we are now seeing that the meme crypto fever continued throughout this year. And we will see more people getting into meme coins like Doge, Shiba Inu, and Dogelon Mars. And since Dogecoin has been leading the meme crypto market, I'm more bullish on it as we are headed into the new year. The biggest catalyst is that we are going to see more and more projects coming for Dogecoin. For example, we are going to see more and more exchanges listing Dogecoin and other coins like Shiba Inu. And another huge catalyst is going to be the rising interest of whales in these coins. We are going to see more and more whales getting into meme coins, especially Dogecoin. And I'm more bullish about Dogecoin because we are going to see more and more utility of it. And as you already know that the Dogecoin Foundation has recently shared a trail map for Doge, we are going to see massive upcoming events for Dogecoin. And as I shared in my recent video, one of the biggest projects is going to be the transition of Dogecoin from proof-of-work protocol to proof-of-stake protocol. And we also talked about how Vitalik Buterin and the Dogecoin developer are going to be working on this transition. So that's going to happen very soon for Doge. And it is going to increase the scalability and utility of Dogecoin. And another major project is going to be the Giga Wallet project. So as we know that there is going to be an integration of a new wallet, and this will dramatically increase Dogecoin's utility. All in all, I'm pretty excited for Dogecoin as there are going to be some very important developments coming out that will dramatically increase its price and adoption. From Tesla's acceptance and Robinhood wallets to Doge One Moon Mission and Dogecoin Ethereum Bridge, there are a plethora of things in store for Dogecoin. So the point of all this discussion is that all these catalysts are very important for Dogecoin, and they will fuel its price to new highs. And the best part is that all this will lead to mass adoption of Doge. And I think its adoption is more important than its price. This is because its rising utility will make it way much better than all other cryptos. So seeing all these things for Dogecoin, I think that Dogecoin holders are in for a treat as we are coming closer to the next year. And now, as we have just seen how the future is looking pretty amazing for Dogecoin, let's talk about its current price movement for a minute. So we are now seeing that Dogecoin has been trading above the 18 cents price level. And if we see its price movements for the last couple of days, it has now made this price level a support floor. And I think this is going to be important for it since this will now set its path towards clearing the resistance around 19 cents levels. In fact, Dogecoin has been trying to clear it in the last couple of days, and now Dogecoin has been up by around 13% over the week. And it is now trading above the 20-day simple moving average. I think it can clear this resistance level in the coming trading sessions. All in all, Dogecoin is going to end this year on a positive note. And as I have said before, 2022 is going to be the year of Dogecoin. And with that being said, let's come to Bitcoin for a minute. So we are now seeing that Bitcoin has recently performed way better than gold and other investment vehicles. On a year-to-date basis, Bitcoin has delivered about 73% ROI, while gold and silver have remained in the negatives. So this is important data for Bitcoin, as it is now showing that Bitcoin has been actually outperforming gold. And this is a big thing for it that will eventually drive more investments into it. And this is a bullish indicator showing us that Bitcoin is going to leg up in the future. And another bullish indicator for Bitcoin is that a bullish divergence has been formed for it, as it has been trading in the support zone. Moreover, its RSI has now crossed the downward trend line, which is pretty bullish for it. So this means that Bitcoin is now ready to make its move and trend high in the coming trading sessions. But this is not it, as we have another major bullish indicator for Bitcoin. So we are now seeing that Bitcoin's supply is drying up to lows which we have not seen for years. And as per crypto rank, just 6.3% of the total Bitcoin supply, or 1.3 million Bitcoin tokens, is held on crypto exchanges. So this means that the Bitcoin supply is now going from a liquid to an illiquid state, and as of now, it is sitting around 100,000 Bitcoin per month. And this directly relates to its price movement in a positive way. So it appears that this change in Bitcoin supply is going to fuel its price in the near future. And now if we come to Bitcoin's current price movements, we are seeing that Bitcoin is trading around the 50K price level. And despite it having failed to breach the 51K resistance level, this is an important recovery for it after a prolonged price correction. More importantly, since Bitcoin is now very close to clear this crucial resistance level, it is highly likely to breach it in the coming trading sessions. And since everything is now looking pretty good for it, it is highly likely that Bitcoin is going to hit the 55K price level by the end of December. And since we have just seen how things are looking good for Bitcoin, this is an extremely bullish sign for Dogecoin. This is because their price correlation is still sitting on the high side. And as we know, this means that if Bitcoin manages to go up, Doge will do the same. So this is yet another good sign for Dogecoin, in addition to all others that we have discussed before. And this is exactly why I'm pretty bullish about it. And now let's come to Shiba Inu for a minute, since it is also looking good now. So according to Etherscan statistics, major whales have collected almost 21 billion Shiba Inu tokens in the previous 48 hours. And this is a huge development for SHIB, since this is not the first time that whales have accumulated a large sum of SHIB tokens. Last week, we saw that another whale purchased about 4 billion Shiba Inu tokens. So SHIB owners have been rising. And as of now, there are more than 1 million Shiba Inu owners, and the top 1,000 Ethereum wallets are holding billions of SHIB tokens worth a total of $5.2 billion. In fact, we are now seeing that Shiba Inu has become the third most used token on the Ethereum network throughout this month. So far, Shiba Inu has over 78,000 unique users, making it one of the top tokens on the Ethereum network. So the point is that major whales are currently accumulating as many Shiba Inu tokens as possible, since they are looking bullish on it, and they want to maximize their long-term gains. And this is actually a bullish indicator for Shiba Inu, since it will help it grow in terms of value over the long term. And if we come to its current price, we are seeing that Shiba Inu's price has managed to increase by about 30% in the last 7 days. And this is a huge price increase compared to other cryptos. So I think this is where we should realize that Shiba Inu has been successfully recovering from the recent market meltdown. And I think the rise in whales' interest for SHIB has also helped it to go for such a major recovery phase. In fact, I think this will help SHIB to grow further in the coming trading sessions, and we may see it trading somewhere around $0.00042 by the end of December. And now let's take a quick look at the overall crypto market. So we know that the crypto market has been performing decently throughout this week thanks to the Christmas and the holiday season. And as you can see, the total crypto market cap is now sitting around the $2.4 trillion level. Overall, the market has recovered from its recent losses. The good thing is that as we are coming close to the end of this year, the market will shed off additional losses in the coming trading sessions. And although I'm positive about the overall market, I'm more bullish about Dogecoin. And as we have discussed how things are turning out to be pretty good for Dogecoin, I think it is going to do much better in 2022 as compared to 2021.